This one rule helps retailers cut shopping at disapprovals by 90%. Here's how. If your product data is coming from vendors, PIMs, or spreadsheet, things get messy fast. You will get misnamed colors, descriptions full of HTML junk, and some promo text from last year's holiday. And if you still put free shipping or empty promises in your product titles or description, don't even get me started. These kinds of issues happen all the time, and if your team's still fixing it manually, you need to stop. By using GoDataFeed's text replacement, the feature that lets you clean up your feed automatically without ever touching your source data. Let's take a look at how it works. In feed rules, click the blue plus button to create a new rule. And let's say we are cleaning up product title, so I will name it title text cleanup. In the set field, we have to choose the attribute we want to clean. In this case, I will choose title. In a field 2, we have to type title again and choose this one. Now, we need to add our replacements. So I will give you a few examples. First, we will normalize product naming. In this field find, type T and replace this with t-shirt. Click apply replacement here. Then we can clean up banned or outdated phrases like free shipping, buy now, limited time offer. We have to leave the replacement field blank and click apply. Now let's clean up the formatting. Find things like w/ and change it to with, but leave the space after. Remove anything messy like exclamation mark, span tags, or breaks. Leave the replacement field blank. Here are common use cases where text replacement is very helpful. After you've added all your replacements, just make sure to click apply on each one. It's time to set the condition. Since we only want this rule to apply when the title is not empty, we'll add that here. If everything is ready, you can click Save to apply the rule. You can hit the preview to just see the changes across your feed. When your rule is built, you can reuse it across multiple feeds for every channel, catalog, and season. Text replacement helped many e-commerce businesses. They cut their shopping at disapprovals by 90%, save more than 8 hours every week, and agencies, they're applying the same cleanup logic to many clients. If you're running a seasonal campaign like Black Friday or back to school, text replacement makes it easy to clean up those promo phrases once the sales ends. To automate it even more, use GoDataFeed's rule schedules. You can set the day range and the rule applies only during your promo window. So if your feed's still getting flagged, it's time to fix it once. Book a demo with us and let's clean this up for good.